front road here. Watch the cattle go by. Should be kind of interesting. Some of these people, they've never seen a cattle drive. You can see this here is the driveway, the front driveway of the American Safari Ranch. And there they come. Was this your first Colorado cattle drive?
First cattle drive ever.
Ever? You never seen one?
No, I grew up in Pennsylvania. There ain't nothing to see up there.
Well, in this particular drive, they're only using 4x4s. And looks like they're having quite the time of moving this little herd with just vehicles that don't do lateral movement.
He's telling us to tell him to go.
Aren't they so cute?
This would have been great training for
Look at us
horses.
like we might be part of the cattle.
Right.
Did we get these guys too? They're all looking at us.
Look at the little baby. They're so cute.
Crazy back in there.
The green grass, that's what it is.
Yeah, they got something here.
Oh yeah. Hi, puppy.
Go! Go!
I'll stand up.
Go!
Hey, that dog ain't no joke. Shadow could be. Let Shadow go out there and help.
I will not be helped at all.
Shadow would run. Oh, did you guys see the baby buck? That's fucking cute. Look at this one cow with all the babies. I know.
Must be Papa.
She just went through our fence.
Oh, shit.
Yeah, she's trying. Spared. Let's take her, yeah. She's ours.
That one's in our property. I'll move them along.
She's just like, I want to fucking eat.
She's like,
Let me
fuck
stop
all
and
of
eat.
Like, why are you walking? You gotta stick up your ass.
Up your whole spine? You keep joking like that, you will fall off John Wayne and be walking like that the rest of your life. You're sure see Luke's face, he was like, Luke, how about you just take out John Wayne for a little bit? And Luke's like, oh. He did the same thing I do. I was like, I don't want to have a difficult ride. I don't want to fall today. That's why I wasn't getting off Sonoy, bud. I wasn't doing it, son.
That's why I didn't want to get off Monroe.
That girl fucking got the fucking reins over her.